This video will demonstrate how to create and access pinned views within LiveCount. To begin, launch the drawing canvas and then click the Views button. Once this panel is open, navigate to an area of your drawing that you wish to save the view. I'll call this one Laundry, and then we'll zoom out and select this area. When you save a pinned view, the pinned view name is at top and the drawing on which it was created is displayed below. If you rename a drawing, the drawing name is updated on the left-hand side panel. Moving to a second drawing, I'm going to create a new view called Supplies, and we'll see that the drawing name is displayed below. If you access a pin view which was created on a different drawing other than your active drawing, once you access it, your drawing is then changed and the view is updated to that of the saved pinned view. If you wish to delete views, you can do so by clicking the delete icon, and they are removed from the list. As your list grows, you may need to filter the results so you can better locate the desired view. Utilize the search field and then type in the name of the view, which filters the list.